Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this login and registration form using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So you can see the website here. You can see the glass effect around the border of the form, and when you click on the button you can see the nice color effect and the movement of the letters, and fill out the form which is in required form in the HTML section. Then sign up. You can see the transition effect, smooth transition effect from sign in to sign up form. Then you can see the button effect also as you hover onto the button. And login, then we get back to the login form. You can see the smooth transition from sign up. We'll go back to the sign up form. The entire source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do share and subscribe. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. Let's go through line by line code. So right now we are in the index.html file. You can see that in the head section we have the meta tags. Then we have the title tag for right click the title, that is register and login form. Then we have linked the styles.css file with by using the link tag. You can see this is the styles file, CSS file. Then we have linked the box icons here. Then next we can come to the body section, main section of the HTML. Then here we can see we have a div with class name wrapper, and inside this div we have written the entire form data. You can see two span elements which are bg animate and bg animate to class names. These two are used for the animation effect. You have seen in the website. As we click on the button on sign up and sign in button, you can see the smooth transition effect. That is, the entire thing will rotate and the form will come. So that animation is done by using these span elements. I will show you next. So first we will go through each line by line code, then I will explain you how that animation and how we are using CSS to do that. So first we will come to the div with form box. Here we have the h2 element, class name is animation, style is given as dash dash I, which these two are used for the animation effect, transition effect. We are using these values. Remember them. These values are very important in this website building. You can see the heading is login, and for which I have given I value is 0 and j value is 21. Then for the form we have another div, that is input box animation style, and we are given I equal to 1 and j equal to 22, linear increase, that is 0 to 1 and 21 to 22. Then input type is text, which is required field. When you add the required button, then if you don't mention the value, then if you try to submit the form, it won't take, and it will show an error that this particular input value is important. So for such values you can add required. Then label is username, and I tag is bxi user, you have seen in the box icon. Then by using the I tag we integrate those box icons into the website. Then next div is input box animation, similar way, but this time we are using input type as password, and next password as label, and box icon is log alt. Then we have a button for which the type is submit and class is btn animation. Then we have I value is 3 and j value is 24, and the value is login. Then we have another div for logrec, which is link animation. I value is 4 and j value is 25, and with the paragraph tag don't have an account. Then anchor tag for sign up. So if you don't have an account, when you click on the sign up button, you will be taken to the sign up form. You can register over there. So this is the first section, that is the form box for login. Let me tell you, go through the CSS so that you can understand each element, how we are aligning them using CSS. First we import Google Fonts using this link URL, then integrate it using this URL tag in the style or CSS. These are the overall default values, that is font family is Poppins, sans serif family, font family, margin is 0, padding is 0, box sizing is border box. Then we can go to the body element, then we display is flex, justify content, all the content is aligned at the center of the website, and all the items are aligned at the center. Minimum height is 200 vh, that is minimum height, vertical height. Background color is black, you can see small gradient color. This is the hexa code. Then we have the wrapper. Let me show you the wrapper here. You can see this is entire whole div is the wrapper with a class name as wrapper. So we are position is relative. The width is 750 pixel and height is 450 pixel. Background is transparent. Then we have a border of 2 pixel solid, which is in blue color, as you seen in the website. Then we have box shadow for that. Then we have an overflow hidden. So whenever you can see that the entire form is inside a box in the center of the value, and you can see the box effect around it, that is glowing effect, that is done by using box shadow. And overflow is hidden, that whatever values goes outside of that particular section, wrapper section, will be hidden. Then we have from the wrapper we will go to the form box. That is the first section. You can see the form box div class, for which we are adding position is absolute, so that the values hover onto the parent element, that is div wrapper element. Top is 0, width is 50%. So 50% of the width is given to the form box. You can see the form is on the left side, and onto the towards the right side we have only small content and the animation transition. You can see height is 100%. Displays flex direction is column. So if you use flex, all the values will align in row, and to align those values in the column format, then you have to use flex direction as column. Then the justify content, then all the content is justified at the center. Then we have wrapper form box login. So for the login button, you can see for the login we are using left is 0, padding is 0, 60 pixel, 0 and 40 pixel. You can see this right, left, top and bottom, these values are given by using padding. Then just 1 second, let me give you a preview so that you can be able to see them how well the effect is going on. So it will be also easy for you to know. You can see here, this is the website that we are building, and right now we are in the wrapper. Here you can see the padding is given for 60 pixel, 40 pixel, 0 0. You can see here that above and below we have 40 pixel of gap, and towards right hand side we have 0 pixel gap. That is 0 pixel padding is added for the login button. Next we have animation. For the animation, this effect is used for whenever we click on the button. Let me show you here. See the smooth animation effect here. Just 1 second. When you click on the sign up button, you can see the smooth animation effect, and the login button is moving backward. You can see the login button is going away. See it here, the login will go this side. That animation effect is added over here. That is transform, translate x. Opacity is 1, filter is blur. So before moving it will blurs out and goes our left side. Transition time is 0.7 seconds. Transition delay is calculated by using var dash dash j. You can see j value. That is the reason it is very important. Don't forget to mention these values. These values are very important for the animation, smooth animation effect. Then we have wrapper active. Form box login animation we have for I values also, that is minus 120 degrees for both I values as well as for j values. We have taken this animation. Then we have wrapper form box register. Then for the registration button, right is 0, padding is 0 and 40, pointer width is none. Then wrapper active form box register. Let me show you the form box register. You can see now we will go to the second form. It is exact copy of the above login, except that we have email is available for this one extra section. And for form box register we have the styles. These are the similar styles, but you can see that they are aligned towards the right side. So they are aligned towards the right side. That is the reason we have form box right equal to 0, padding is 0, 40 pixel and 60 pixel, pointer events is none. You can see here also the entire second registration form is towards the right side. That is the reason we have added right equal to 0. Then pointer events is auto. Then we have animation effect. You can see 120 degrees transition. Let me show you the transition effect. You can see the transition. So all the elements will move towards right side, blurring out, and the entire transition take place. You can see it again. So smooth transition is there. That is done by using these values. So definitely don't forget this I values. These are very important, I and J values. Then form box H2 element, we have font size as 32 pixel, color is white, text align is the center, and form box input box we have position is relative, width is 100%, height is 50 pixel, margin is 25 30 pixel. You can see here these elements, form elements. And we have input box input element, for which we have given width is 100%, background is transparent, and border is none, outline is none. That is the reason we don't have any border around the input box element. Then we have border bottom is 2 pixel solid. You can see the border bottom, only bottom white line, straight white line. Then we have font size is 16 pixel, color and font weight is given, transition is 0.5 second. So you can see we have used focus element here, focus and valid. So this color will apply when we click on that button. Let me show you. When you want to enter any data into it, when you let me show you 1 second. You can see when we click on that, you can see the value, that is placeholder value, the underline and the box icon, all three are focused and we get blue color. That animation is done by using here, this you can see in the by using CSS focus element. Then we have input label, and for the label also we are added the focus. You can see same, top is -5 pixel. This -5 pixel will what will do means when you click to enter the data, you can see here the password will move towards upside. Username moved upside, password moved upside from its original location. This is done by using this section of code. You can see here top -5 pixel and color is changed. So whenever we try to enter data. Next we have input box I, that is the icons. You can see the lock icon, and for this also we have the font size top 50. You can see it because we are using position as absolute, it will hover on to the input box element and it will be placed at the right corner. You can see right equal to 0. That is the reason it is aligned at the right side of the top corner. Then we have pointer events is none and transition is 0.5 second. The color change is 0.5 seconds. It will change the color. The button we have, for the button element, you can see whenever we click on the button, we can see the effect on the button also. You can see how effect it is on. It look like a glass button. You can say transparent border is 2 pixel, outline is done, border radius is 40 pixel. Then we have font size, color, font weight is 600, Z index is 1, overflow is hidden. So whatever any item is moving outside of that button, you can see when you are trying, remove this overflow and can know that it will be in a very square box over the, or it will move out of the box. But when we use overflow hidden, you will get this smooth effect that it will only include in this particular button shape. The overflow is very important, don't forget. Then button before element, this is the one, linear gradient. By using these values we will get this uh, glassy look on the button. You can see when you can see glass look. Then before hover, top equal to 0, that is when we hover onto the button, you can see it will move like a tilted glass. This log registration button is nothing but you can see the sign up button. Then we have P and A element, for which we have aligned color, text decoration is none, font weight is 600. You can see hover effect, that is underline. So whenever you hover onto this button, let me show you. So you can see underline effect. That underline effect is done whenever we hover onto that button, sign up button or sign in button. Then we have info text, position is absolute, top is 0, width is 50%, height is 100%, displays flex direction is column, justify content is center. This all data is similar, but for the second div that we have used. So first div, this is the first div we have seen right now, and this is the second div. So this is the sign up div, and for the sign up div we have an extra div, that is email icon, email data. The entire form is same, but the only thing is that right now we are using right equal to 0, so all data will be available towards the right side of the form. So all the animation is same. So don't try to mix up the values, everything is similar. The only thing is that in place of right we use left, in place of left we use right, so that the elements move in different directions. And because we want the sign up is towards the right side, and you can see the login is towards the left side, so that's the only change. Next we have the h2 values. This is all values are similar. Now we will go to wrapper.bg animate. I told you before also, so you can see this all the information. Then I've told you these pan elements are very important for the transition effect. So now we will use it, bg animate, and the position is absolute, top is -4 pixel, right equal to 0, this width is 850 pixel, height equal to 600 pixel, background is linear gradient. Then border transition is rotate 10 degrees, q 40 degrees, transition origin bottom right. You can see this is for here. So when we click on this entire colored one, blue color, gradient color, you see this entirely done using it, the animate bg animate div. So when you click on the sign up button, you can see the entire body of it. You can see that entire value, it will move and it will come into this animation effect, giving a very smooth animation effect. This entire one is this bg div, and for that transition is 1.5 second is, and the transition delay is 1.6 seconds. So we want, whenever we click on this, it will rotate, and we want it to display the sign up form. Then we have the wrapper bg animate 2. The position is absolute, top is 100%, left is 250. This one is for the second time, that is whenever you want to move from you can say sign up form to sign in. Let me show you here. So when you click on the login button, you can see it will come back. This process of animation is done here. Transform origin is bottom left. Then we have transition is 1.5 second is, transition delay 0.5 second. So it will rotate and it will display the data. Then then the only thing is that whenever we click on those button, the transition effect should take place. So we'll use this small JavaScript code for that. First we create constant, that is wrapper, register link and login ring, and wrapper is the entire section. We have the class as wrapper. You can see this wrapper is referred over here. Then we use this register link. You can see this register link here in the sign up button, and you can also see the login link in the login button. So we have both of them. So we refer both of them here by creating constants, login link and register link. Then whenever we click on the register link button, then we add class active button to it. So when we add the active element to it, then automatically we will move back to the next section. You can see whenever we click on the sign up, you can see whenever we click on the sign up button, will move. Then the wrapper class will be getting an active class list will be added to it, and you can see this smooth transition effect. And whenever we click on the login button, then active link will be removed in the next section. That is whenever we click here, whenever we click on the login button, then active list is removed for the wrapper element. So what is this active This means this active you can see here. You can see wrapper dot active. So when these all active link is added to the section, then only the transition effect will take place for the for this form element. So this entire code then only works. This is the small JavaScript code. It is very easy, and the entire source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share, and subscribe. Please let me know any suggestions in the comment section. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this login and registration form using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So you can see the website here. You can see the glass effect around the border of the form, and when you click on the button, you can see the nice color effect and the movement of the letters, and fill out the form, which is in required form in the HTML section. Then sign up. You can see the transition effect, smooth transition effect from sign in to sign up form. Then you can see the button effect also as you hover onto the button, and login. Then we get back to the login form. You can see the smooth transition from sign up. We will go back to the sign up form. The entire source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do share and subscribe. Thank you.